right, 6-8 math 7 example numero uno. Sherman earned $225 this week. He earns a base pay of $95 per week plus a commission of 15% on all sales that he makes. What was Sherman's total sales for the week? All right, so again, keyword here that tells me I'm using my commission formula is the keyword of commission. So I'm going to take that formula and I'm going to write that formula down because that is half the battle. So earnings is equal to base pay plus that percent divided by 100 times the S for the total sales. So we got to figure these pieces out. They're telling me that he earned $225. This is going to be the E. He has a base pay of $95 per week. Well, that's telling me right there, $95 is the base pay. His rate, that's that 15%, that's that rate. And the total sales is what we're looking for. That's going to be the missing piece. So fill in your pieces. 225 goes in for earnings. Base pay was that 95 plus parentheses. My percentage was 15. Divide by 100. Calculator up. Times the sales, which is what we don't know. So we're going to put that as S, or you can put that as your X, because that's what we don't know. That's the missing piece. And now you just math and isolate your variable there. So looking at this equation, the first thing I can start by doing is what's inside the parentheses, which I've got some division to start with. So 15 divided by 100 is 0.15. So 225 is equal to 95 plus 0.15 times x is just 0.15x. And here we just have a two-step equation. We can drop these parentheses now because we did that multiplication. Before I can deal with the 0.5x, I need to first get rid of that 95 by subtracting it from both sides. A positive 95, the opposite of that is negative, so you can subtract it to both sides. 225 minus 95 is going to give you 130. My 95's canceled, and my 0.15x can carry down. That 1500ths x, or 0.15x, is being multiplied by x there, so the inverse of multiplication is going to be division. So I'm going to get my final answer by doing 130 divided by 1500ths to get, and again, write the decimal down, then round. My face itches. So that's 866.6666 ... Again, money, we're going to round to the nearest hundredths place. That's the 6, tells me to look at the 6 next to it. That tells me to go up. So I've got a total sales of $866.67. Boom. A lot of the stuff we've still been doing. Percents are still out of 100. We're still solving for x. All good stuff.